Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll learn how to hide and unhide elements and learn more about the visibility graphic settings as well. So in Revit, every element belongs to a category. If you want to look up this category, you can go to your visibility graphic settings. So you can type VV on your keyboard, or you can go to view and click on visibility graphics here. So in the visibility graphics, we have the model categories, annotation categories, analytical model categories, imported categories, which is our DWG files, and filters. We will be using this window quite a lot, so get in the habit of using the shortcut VV or VG to open the visibility graphic window. Now, for example, if you want to hide the DWG file, you can go to your imported categories here, and this is the DWG file that we bought into Revit. Now, if you want to hide it, simply untick this box here, click on apply, and then you can see that it goes away and only our grids remain in the window. If you want to bring it back, you can click here again and then click on apply, and then it shows up. Now remember that we hid the dimensions. Now if you want to show the dimensions back, simply open the layers button, simply click on the plus button here to reveal all the layers. And here you can see we have the dimensions layer. So simply activate that, click on apply, and then the dimensions come back to life. Perfect. So that's to quickly hide DWG files. Now, if you want to hide Revit elements, I'm going to hide the entire DWG here. And I want to hide, for example, let's say the grids. Now, grids belong to annotation categories. So if you go to annotation categories here and click on any of these categories and tab G, it would jump directly to grids. So you can select this, uncheck the box here and click on apply, and the grids go away. Similarly, if you want to hide, say, the project base point, that belongs in the model categories tab and it sits under site. So we have the project base point here. So if you want to hide that, you can simply uncheck the box there and you can hide the internal origin and the project base point. Similarly, every element in Revit has these categories. It works similar to layers, but you cannot add a new category or remove a category from this list. It is built into the system by the Autodesk developers. So these are the various categories that we have. We have walls, we have windows, and a whole lot more. Now you can either hide and unhide categories from the visibility graphic window here, or a faster way is to select the grid line here. And then we have this bulb icon here. So you can click on that and you can hide the category this way as well. If you want to unhide the category, you can either open visibility graphics and unhide the category. So in this case, it was the grids. So you can see it's automatically unchecked. So you can tick it back on and it shows back in the window. Or what you can do is you can hover to the bottom here and we have reveal hidden elements, this icon here. So click on that. And then you can see all the hidden elements in our window. So simply select this, one of these red lines, right click, and then we have unhide in view. So you can unhide category. So this way, when you toggle or close reveal hidden elements, the grid lines come back to our workspace here. So play around with the hide options, either in visibility graphics or here. When you select an element, we have the modify grids ribbon, and then we have the hide in view. The modify tab automatically shows up whenever you select an element in Revit. So that's very important to recognize from the start. So we can start modeling our project. So to model our project, we need our DWG file. So I'm going to activate reveal hidden elements, select the DWG file. You can either right click or you can also click on unhide category from our ribbon window here. So you can see we have a third option as well. Perfect. And if you'd like to hide a specific element, that, for example, the furniture and more, what you need to do is select the DWG file, click on query, select the furniture lines and click on hide in view. And then the furniture lines goes away. Similarly for the text as well. So that's another way you could hide DWG elements in Revit. Perfect. So in the next video, we'll start creating our walls and more. and start building our project. Now, before I start building the walls, I would also like to see the new views that I've created, which is the ground floor slab top and first floor slab top, and not L1 architectural on and L2 architectural. So I'll show you how to create views in Revit, which is also very important to know right from the start. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.